BCH price prediction. We're starting with the daily chart. In the last video, I gave you this bottom and this long, which we got a pixel perfect, short and long. This was the exact bottom and long on this candle. And right now, we are rejecting from this trend line that is just getting started. And we're dumping a little bit, but the question is, what is happening now? Is this just a divergence and will we just crash from here, or will price continue to rise? What will happen? So here are a few scenarios in this situation. First of all, we have probably a week until this plays out. Max 10 days it will break out to either the upside or the downside, because this will tighten up and it has to pick a direction, and it will very soon. The question is, what will the direction be? So when we go to the Heikin Nashi, we can see that right now we have view of curvature to the downside. Normally when it's here, we have a day or two of bearish momentum. So what I would expect here is 2 days of 2 red days right here. I'll have a narrow, and these red days can actually touch the trend line, so they can go to here very likely. And this is somewhere where I would be interested in buying, especially if it's day number 2. So if it's day number 2 around here, I'll be very much interested in adding a little bit to this position, and that's basically how I'm planning to trade this. Again, you can have another opinion and I would love to hear it in your thoughts, but short term I'm expecting a little bit of a correction to the downside. We're up 274 grand. If you want to follow the trades, the meme coin trades, use the link in the description down below. I've also discounted my course a lot, just 97 bucks. Check it out in the link in the description down below, and in the description I'll have a link for weeks which are currently giving away over 8 grand in welcome bonuses. Do check them out. Love you with all my heart. See you next video. This video is not financial advice. Bye.